Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to make a video on my 1981 Hoover Junior U1012. This is actually the exclusive version of it. I believe, do correct me if I'm wrong, this was mail order exclusive to Debenhams. I could be wrong on that, although from what I've been researching, Debenhams has came up, I believe. But with these exclusives, unless there's an actual catalogue scan somewhere of this one, I don't really think anybody will know for sure. However, knowing me, there probably is a huge thread of archived pictures with this model in, and I've probably just blatantly scrolled past it. So anyway, this comes in a sort of a dark cream colour and mocha brown, I would probably call it. Now, like most of the exclusive juniors, they had matching, I wouldn't really know, a matching trim I think it's called. You have your bumper, handle release, and also handle grip would all be a similar colour or the same colour to the bag and belt cover. This is actually from, as I said before, this is actually from 1981, which at first I was quite surprised, but I do actually have another junior, well, I've had a Junior U1012, the standard version, from 1981 as well, so a bit of a coincidence there. However, the 1012 style, the original one, which many of you probably have already seen in mustardy orange, I think it's, I don't know the exact colour, I know it's in a mustardy orange colour, I have one somewhere, and the standard mink, I believe the white colour was called, that came out in either 75 or 76. And it was the first to feature the top fill bag, and after that all Hoover Junior uprights used that style. And this one is no different. The thing that I do like about this is the colour scheme and the way how everything's coordinated. It's even got the same colour cord, which I believe this is the cord off the... This is original to this machine, but they also use this on a lot of the 80s cream and brown models that they did, so it's probably just surplus stock from then. However, you do also have your matching cord protector there, if you can see that. And then if I open up the bag, it has already got a bag in there. It also has matching cream coloured bellows, which are actually the same colour as the body, which is... I didn't actually expect it to be like that, but it was a nice surprise. Another thing that surprised me about this machine is that if you can actually see in there, I don't know whether it stands out too much on the camera, but it does actually have a plastic fan. So when I first got this, my first thing that I always do is take the belt cover off, see the actual year, see if it's sun damaged, and so on. However, when I opened this up and I saw plastic fan, I thought, oh god. So here we go again. I thought it's just going to have a performance of the U1104 style. And the U1036 was the first one. However, it was the 80s U1104s that I'm not particularly keen on. I don't know what it is about them. They just don't seem to just clean. They don't groom. They don't agitate anywhere near as well as the original 70s style do. 70 styles did, and I don't fully understand why that is, but I always put it down to the plastic fan because some of them actually had activators in and they were actually alright. But yes, there's not really much to say on these, to be honest. They're quite a basic design. The juniors are essentially a bag on a stick. I'll show you the undershot. As you can see, the motor cover is in a brown colour. That's what I love about these exclusive. Hoover used to go to the extra efforts of matching everything, which is just something that I know it's only a little something, but it actually really impresses me. I'm probably spinning this the wrong... Yep, span it the wrong way. As I was about to say, I'm spinning the brush roll the wrong way and the belt's going to pop off, but it already had. But yeah, this is the activator brush roll. This is the agitator brush roll, which features the famous Hoover beats as it sweeps as it cleans. Very, very good brush roll on these. It's a shame they don't still do this brush roll, it's brilliant. Right, I'll flip that over for you, and you can see me put a belt on. Should do separate tutorials really, shouldn't I? I'm going to pause this and then I'll come back. Okay, so after that mini outtake that you've just witnessed, I am back. As you can see, no sun damage on this machine. I was pleasantly surprised. I actually got this off eBay. I believe this was on eBay. Yes, this was on eBay. And I saw it and I thought, oh, I'll never be able to get that. I thought, no, I'll never get that. But luckily, I'd done a few more extra hours in work over the past sort of few weeks. And there we go, I had it. So I was pleasantly surprised when I actually got this. But yes, I'm going to give you a demonstration. I do also have the tools for this. So I'll do a complete demonstration of it for you. Okay, so that was the demo of my Hoover Junior U1012 exclusive. I do hope that you enjoyed the video. And I know I haven't been making videos recently or pretty much at all in the last year or so, but I am going to restart making them. That made no sense, but there we go. I am going to restart making them. Nope. We'll just class that as a blooper. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.